Hello everyone, welcome back again. Welcome to another new video. Today we're gonna make tuna burgers. Burgers made from tuna. So we're gonna need 3 tuna chunks, some roasted red pepper, just one, some breadcrumbs, onion, garlic, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper and oregano. We start first with draining the tuna. In a big bowl I have to drain my tuna, take all this water out because we don't want that. My cat gets crazy because of the tuna. Here you are. 3 tuna chunks I'm using. Can give this to the cat to lick. Use your hands or a fork or a spoon to press it down to take all the liquid out. And once it stops dripping, throw this away. And wash up your bowl. And we are ready to start adding all our ingredients. That means we have to chop the onion, well, I will start chopping onion. You don't have to see that, I guess it's boring. I will do a fast forward. And I will use 3 garlic cloves. I will chop them and I connect again with you. Make sure you chop the onion very small pieces, as fine as you can. If you want to put it in a blender, you can, but I usually don't like to do that because they say you lose all the vitamins. So I prefer to chop it like that, which is fine. It works for me. With the tuna burgers, we're also gonna make some quinoa aside and some tabouleh salad. Now we have ready to chop their roasted pepper, again in very fine and small pieces. I will try to do. Okay. I will chop parsley finely again. Add it in the mixture. And add your tuna as well. As you see, my mixture here is ready. I will add my breadcrumb now. a little bit of olive oil. We'll mix. Add salt. Pepper. Oregano. Maybe a little bit of water, just a tiny bit. That's it. So I preheat my oven to 180, and I will use some gloves to play with my mixture to make the burgers. So I also put in a small pot some water to boil, and I will add my quinoa there. So now my burgers are ready. With 3 tuna chunks I made 15 small medium-sized burgers, which is enough for 2. If you are more people, you can add some more ingredients. Now ready to put it in the oven. And when I start seeing the color getting brownish, I will take them out. I will put my alarm, I will set my alarm anyway in 25 minutes. And I will check them, and yeah. In the meantime, as I said before, I have the small pot boiling to add my quinoa. I will add some of this that has 3 colors, and some of the plain one, the plain quinoa. Yeah, actually my water is ready. I will add it now, and then I will start making the salad with you. Just give it a mix. And let it boil. The quinoa doesn't need that much time. It's not like the rice. So, and now ready for the salad. Let me move you here. You can see better, correct? So I will chop the ends off because we don't want them. Knife. We don't want that. And the rest we chop really finely. Small. Bianco, there is nothing for you. Can you see him, guys? You had already your snack, so please don't complain. I love this salad. You have to use a lot of parsley, fresh green parsley, finely chopped. it in a big salad bowl. Now time to chop our onion. Try to do it finely as well. Very fine pieces. Our salad is ready. Now we need to squeeze some lemons. I will squeeze 2 lemons. Our quinoa is also ready. The burgers are also ready. Exactly 25 minutes for the burgers. As I told you, I set up I set the alarm. So I squeezed 2 lemons. I will add them. Can you see me like that? You can. I will taste them. I might add one more. This salad needs a lot of lemon. Add salt. And olive oil. Mix it very well. Yeah, I think I will add at least one more lemon. 1 or 2. I can see it. Mix it very well. Well, it smells really good. Let me actually try. Maybe not. It's fine with 2 big lemons. 2 big lemons. Mix it super well. I added 1 small onion and 2 big tomatoes. Excellent. Our salad is ready. Let me show you the quinoa. Quinoa is also ready. And now it's time to take out of the oven our burgers. I will move you a bit backwards so you can see. They smell good. Look at that. 25 minutes. As I said. Perfect. We are ready to serve. Alright, we are ready to serve now. I'm gonna add quinoa aside. And on top of my quinoa, I will add salad. My tabouleh salad. And then on the side, I will add my tuna burgers. Here we are. Enjoy!